Today we'll solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 9x equals 0 by factoring. Let's start by writing our equation. The first step in solving by factoring is to get all terms on one side of the equation with 0 on the other side. In this case, we already have 0 on the right side, so we're good to go. Next, we look at the left side of the equation and try to factor out any common terms. Looking at our terms, x squared and negative 9x both contain x, so we can factor out x from both terms. Now that we have factored the equation, we can use the zero product property. This property states that if the product of factors equals 0, then one of the factors must equal 0. Therefore, either x equals 0 or x minus 9 equals 0. Let's solve the second equation. Adding 9 to both sides, we get x equals 9. Therefore, the solutions to our quadratic equation are x equals 0 and x equals 9. Let's verify our solutions by plugging them back into the original equation. First, let's try x equals 0. When we plug in 0, we get 0 squared minus 9 times 0, which equals 0 minus 0, which equals 0. Now let's try x equals 9. When we plug in 9, we get 9 squared minus 9 times 9, which equals 81 minus 81, which equals 0. Let's visualize these solutions on a graph. Here's the parabola representing our quadratic equation. Notice how the curve crosses the x-axis at x equals 0 and x equals 9, confirming our solutions. In summary, we solved the quadratic equation x squared minus 9x equals 0 by factoring. We found two solutions x equals 0 and x equals 9, and verified them both algebraically and graphically.